everyone, this is Marjorie. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, would you please subscribe and ring the little bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. First of all, I've lost 50 plus pounds in the last year and a half. I actually lost most of that the first 8 months. I'm 67 years old and I've lost that on keto and I've been keeping it off and I love this way of living. And now the exciting thing for me is my husband just joined me in keto. And so today's his second day. He probably won't be saying much. He is sitting right there out of vision.
You're right, I won't.
But today's recipe is coming basically with a little tweaking from Keto Made Easy. This is Matt and Mega from Keto Connect. The recipe is called overnight protein oats, or as I like to call it, faux oatmeal, which means it's not really oatmeal. There is no oats because we know oats have carbs and gluten. So here we go. First of all, I have two little cute blue mason jars. You can use a bowl with saran wrap. You don't need to use mason jars. I'm going to make 2 portions in here. I won't be eating these because they do have 9 grams of carbs. Men can have more carbs than women in general. And so I will probably take a tablespoonful of his and then he'll eat the rest. So anyway, the first ingredient is a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You all know what heavy whipping cream is. So let me see. I got a measuring cup out, but I think I can just pour that in. I can't find it. I'm just going to do it in here. So I'm going to go, heavy whipping cream. Just going to go with a 1/2 cup and split it. Here we go. Here's the first. That's about 1/4 cup. And the rest goes in this little guy. Okay, the next ingredient is hemp hearts. Yummy. Hemp hearts. I get these on Amazon. They are amazing. Raw shelled hemp seeds. You can actually get them in a lot of health food stores, and I don't know if they're in stores like Walmart or whatever. We live in the mountains, so I order everything. 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, yes, and 3 of the hemp hearts. And again, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, all done with that. Next ingredient is chia seeds. And I've used chia seeds for years. Even when I used to be vegan, I would make a fake pudding type of thing. They're just little black seeds, and it says 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These are gonna thicken it up and make it taste, I don't know if it's definitely oatmeal. I used to be a big cream of wheat fan when I was a little girl, so to me this kind of reminds me of cream of wheat, but either way it's good. And then 1 scoop of flavored protein powder. I didn't get flavored, I got the regular Isopure, and so I'm going to flavor it and sweeten it with stevia. 1 scoop, there we go, and a 2nd scoop. This is very nourishing, very delicious. And then I am going to put, I think we put 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'll do the same amount and just do that. This is, of course, you all know I love sweet leaf. This is vanilla cream stevia. Okay, we are all done with that. This is a quick and easy little recipe. As I recall, I had to add some almond milk or something to this last time. So I will shake it up really good. This is my exercise for the day. No, I'm kidding. I saw somebody doing a shake thingy. Oh, it was on. Yeah, this is not quite It's too dry. It's not mixing. I'm going to grab the almond milk. Be right back. Okay. And before I pour this, yes, it's fine. Now I'm going to pour just a little bit in here. Just a little bit in here. And you could add more heavy cream, which would be just fine. Oh, there we go. You want it to be a liquid consistency because the chia seeds are going to poof up and turn it into, it's like magic. It's going to turn it into delicious. Yeah, now we're liquidy in there. I don't know if you can, don't want to dump it out. See that? It's liquidy. That's what I like. And so you just put the lids on, put it in the fridge overnight or for 4 hours at least. So if you really want it for like breakfast around here is more like brunch, it's around noon or so. So maybe you get up in the morning and you're craving this, you make it real quick and stick it in the fridge at like 6, 7, or 8 o'clock in the morning and you can have it by noon. So anyway, Dan, you've tasted this before. Is it good?
It's delicious.
You heard it there. You heard it first. So I like to try and keep these as short as possible. Thank you for joining us, and Dan will be back to share. So far, he's having a great day. He's drinking his keto lemonade right now, and he drank his bulletproof coffee already. So he should be going into ketosis soon. No cheating. He should be going into ketosis in the next day or 2 or 3 because he has a high metabolism, and he's really being good. So talk to you later. Thanks. And please give me a big thumbs up and share and comment if you like this video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.